Hi friends. Okay, today I'm going to establish a beautiful topic which will enhance your fluency and which will embrace your teaching skill too. Okay, in this activity I'm going to teach you a beautiful technique. The name of the technique is Picture Prompt Expressive technique. Okay, fine. Here look at the picture which I have given behind the screen. You could see many phrases which are really expressive. Some of the phrases are talking about sadness, a few pictures are talking about happiness, joyful moment. So there are several expressions we have been undergoing, and we have been finding people with smiling face, sad face, depressed face. Sometimes if you go to theater to watch a movie, you can find uninteresting things there. So you could say that uninteresting. So there are several adjectives we have been using. So in today's topic, I will teach you how to become more fluent in English language. So if you're very interested to know about this technique, please stay connected till the end of this video and try to subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends before watching. Yeah, okay, let's start now. So I'm going to give you many words. Okay, these words can help you to remember some incidents. So we are going to look at the picture. So picture, when you look at picture, we call this technique picture prompt exercise. You have to find out the prompt picture and you have to remember an adjective which can express the picture. And after this, you have to express an incident using this picture and the expression which is on the picture. Okay, so here I'm going to show you a picture which talks about an uninteresting one. Okay, can you see that the person is not interested? So you try to translate this present form sentence into past tense, like it was uninteresting. Okay, for an example, I'm uninterested to watch this movie. So you could change this into past tense as I was uninterested. The movie was uninteresting. So there are several ways you have to make sentence. Like using this one adjective, we are going to create a very beautiful incident. So let me remember or imagine an incident which could express this expression, and we are going to specify the picture and also the adjective which I'm going to mention now. Anyhow, here I have chosen a picture which talks about an interesting matter. Like I went to theater. Okay, there I watched a movie. Okay, it failed to captivate my interest. So here I have used interest as a word, and also you could change the sentence into this way. It was an interesting movie, so I departed the theater. So I just left the theater. So here I have been using several phrases, like the main phrase which I have fixed here. I would like to remind you about that again. Like it failed to captivate my interest. So this is the phrase which I have fixed here in one paragraph. You know, this paragraph consists of 3 lines. Are you able to understand now? Like Keynote speaker can fix one word and they can describe many things. You can describe only 3, you can describe an incident with 3 lines. These 3 lines can talk about your expressions. It can talk about your fluency. So if you want to become more fluent, try to get keywords and try to prepare a paragraph and try to express it. So this is the way you can become a very good keynote speaker. It doesn't mean that you need an essay to portray something or to describe something for half an hour. Just for a few seconds, you can express your incident. If you are going to get ready with at least 120 or 300 incidents in 3 lines, definitely you can become a very good keynote speaker as I'm doing now. So if you are really eager to know about that, you can also fix one adjective from the picture which I have given. And you're going to choose the topic, whether the expression is about sadness or happiness or whatever it may be. You can choose and you can speak for few seconds. Like few seconds can do well. You can become a very good speaker as I'm doing now. So I hope you have understood today's concept, and this concept can help many people to become a very good keynote speaker. So I'm also a keynote speaker. I love to frame one beautiful incident using one word, one adjective, one phrase. It could help you a lot. So if you have liked this video, please subscribe to my channel and watch continuously. If you want to join online class, please contact me immediately. This is the WhatsApp number I have given. Okay, thank you for watching. Keep watching and subscribe to my channel. Bye, take care.